Dear students, ions are basically of two types. आइंस की दो टाइप्स होती हैं या दो काइंड्स होती हैं. आइंस को हम दो टाइप्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. इन विच द फर्स्ट टाइप इज कॉल्ड cations, while the second type is called anions. Cations contain the positive charge, or I can also write in the wording positive. They are positively charged ions, while anions contain the negative charge on them. They are negatively charged. They are negatively charged ions. Now I will explain the types of cations and anions with the help of examples. One of the best example of cation can be formed from the metal atom. So when metal atom such as sodium loses its one electron present in the outer shell, it becomes positively charged ion. How does it possible? First, make the structure of sodium atom. Sodium is represented by chemical symbol Na. So in this form it is called a sodium atom. But when it loses its electron, it becomes sodium ion. Now in this form it acquires the positive charge on it, and now it is no more atom. It will be called sodium ion. So sodium atom, by losing its electron, suppose electron और outermost shell में जो आपका electron यहाँ मौजूद था, I will make this electron in this way, and in this case the sodium ion electron को हम किस तरीके से represent कर देते हैं कि ये जगह हम empty कर देंगे, खाली कर देंगे. Now this electron is lost. ये electron अब इस atom से lose हो गया है, निकल गया है. So in this form this sodium atom is now called sodium ion because it loses its one electron from its outermost shell. And another change which you will observe, that along with the symbol I have mentioned the positive sign, plus sign on it, which represent that these are the cations and they are actually the positively charged ions. In order to explain anions, the next example which will be represented here is a non-metal atom. So anions are actually formed from the non-metal atoms. Non-metal atoms. How these non-metal atoms become negatively charged anion or ion? So for this purpose, example is chlorine atom. Chlorine atom. The chemical symbol of chlorine is capital C and small l. So in this form, chlorine atom has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it has, or it requires, one more electron, and that electron is donated by the sodium atom. So that electron from the sodium atom is gained by the chlorine atom, and after gaining that electron from the sodium atom, it becomes a negatively charged ion. So one electron that is gained by the chlorine atom makes it negatively charged ion. And how you will represent the negatively charged ion or anion? In the form of symbol Cl containing the negative charge right on the top right corner or the top corner of the chlorine or the symbol of the chlorine. So by getting or by gaining one electron, now in this form, this is called chloride ion or chloride. You can also call it chloride ion or chlorine ion. So these are two examples related to the cations and anions.